but self was sweet. All I know is that no matter what you do, good or bad, found a way to love you more and more. It's true. Don't care about the mistakes you made or the paths you choose to take. My love for you won't ever break. It's a fire that'll never quake. You light up the night like a star so bright and yours. I find my delight. No matter what, we'll make things right. Through the darkness, we'll shine the light. Baby, I'm tired of trying to make it work. We keep on fighting. The love we had is slowly dying. I don't know if we can keep denying. Feels like a battle we can't win. The fire's gone, it's wearing thin. I've given my all, but it's not enough. I'm exhausted, this love is tough. Tired of trying, it's time to let go. We're just holding on, but we both know the love we had is fading away. I'm tired of trying. Can we find a new way?
In a little old town where the wind whispers low, there's a love story that only I'll ever know. You've got a wild streak, a spirit untamed, but darling, my heart will forever be claimed. Through the ups and the downs, the laughter and tears, I've seen every side of you throughout the years. You may stumble and fall, still I'll stand by your side for your flaws and all